guys, look what is here. Washing machine. Okay, it's from my friend, and then they moved out, so I bought it from them. Let's see. Oof, I need to wash the whole body. Consistency. I need to wash. I need to get this cover because it's very close to my bathing, my shower tube, so that it won't be disturbing it that much. So I'll buy a cover for it, inshallah. And then this my apartment thing, they didn't do any piping or anything connecting to whereby you can use for washing machine. So this is what we are about to do. So you can see we just leave it like this. The owner just brought it now. I'm the new owner now, Sha, alhamdulillah. So he said he advised us to fix it here, but we need to get two mouth connection to put it here, so that one can be for washing machine and one can be for the water closet. Get it? You get it? So inshallah, I'm waiting for Obi. Alhamdulillah, is on his way coming, so when he arrives we can go to the hardware shop, and then I hope we get the connection, this thing, the double mouth connection for that pipe, inshallah. So that's the update. Machine is big enough. I'm praying that it can contain my blanket, yeah, so that I won't be taking it to laundry anymore. So this one there, it really need wash. Yep. So that's the update, guys. Let me see the socket. I need to get an extension also. Yeah. So that's it. Huh? Tape? No. So guys, I'm in the hardware shop to get the Obi already got this, but
هذا شكل بعدين هنا هذا شكل.
okay.
Two side. أول هنا بعدين هنا.
Come.
هذا 3 1 4 ضرب.
Alhamdulillah. I was thinking to be expensive. Sorry. Thank you.
هذا شكل okay.
Okay. Ada ini okay. Bismillah. Sorry.
بعدين أول.
Yeah, the other one also.
بعدين.
Solid tape.
هنا also.
Solid tape.
بعدين washing machine.
Washing machine. Okay. Thank you.
وين السري هذا؟
هناك.
كم هذا؟
20 درهم. شوفي 20. كيف؟ So guys, alhamdulillah, my husband was able to fix it yesterday. Yeah, it wasn't easy though. The water was flowing out. We have to rush and call the watchman to off our water for us. So he later came in and then opened the ceiling and off the water. Everything, connection, water heater, AC is inside this ceiling. Okay. So that happens yesterday, but alhamdulillah we finally fix it. So this is how you can see